Have you ever wondered how vegan bacon is made? Today, we dive into the delicious world of tempeh and coconut bacon, showing you exactly what makes these alternatives so tasty. Let's start with the basics. Tempeh is a fermented soybean product that can easily absorb flavors from spices and herbs, making it an excellent substitute for meat. Coconut bacon, on the other hand, uses unsweetened coconut flakes. These larger, crunchier flakes are perfect for achieving that crispy texture we associate with traditional bacon. To make tempeh bacon, you can season it with liquid smoke, maple syrup, and spices like soy sauce or garlic. The fermentation process in tempeh helps it absorb flavors deeply. Coconut bacon is made by soaking coconut flakes in a mixture of liquid smoke, maple syrup, and salt. The larger flakes ensure the perfect crunch when baked. These vegan bacons are versatile ingredients. Use them in breakfast sandwiches, salads, or even as a topping for ice cream. They're a great way to add flavor and texture without compromising on your dietary choices. In summary, both tempeh and coconut bacon offer delicious alternatives with unique textures and flavors. Whether you're looking for a chewy or crispy texture, these vegan options are sure to satisfy your cravings. Which type of vegan bacon would you try first? Tempeh's deep flavor or coconut's crunchy texture? Share your thoughts in the comments below.